Infection prevention strategies in cardiac rehabilitation, a behavioral intervention for patients and contemporary applications. By Wendy Bajarke. Background: annually in the United States, it is estimated that 1.7 million patients acquire a healthcare-associated infection, defined as an infection acquired in a hospital or healthcare facility which results in approximately 100,000 deaths. Healthcare-acquired infections, HAI, result in over 100,000 deaths each year, with one-third of these deaths preventable via behaviors such as hand-washing among healthcare providers in inpatient settings. Less research has been conducted in outpatient exercise settings such as cardiac rehabilitation, CR, among patients. The purpose of this study was to examine the effectiveness of hair prevention strategies in a CR setting among patients. Methods: observations of the frequency of hand washing among CR patients pre and post for HAI strategies, including provision of HAI education and signs, hand washing demonstrations, and hair prevention video, and hand sanitizer samples. Washing hands prior to CR (WI) was observed, as well as washing hands prior to leaving the CR center (WO). Methods included recording the frequency of V and VO among all patients at baseline and after each of the 4 interventions. Mean frequencies of V and VO were compared among a mean of 20 to 243 CR patient visits over 12 weeks using descriptive statistics and t-tests to determine if changes were significant pre- and post-intervention strategies. Results: at baseline, no patients V or VO during an outpatient CR visit. Post-interventions 1 to 4, the percentage of patients V and VO was 33 and 34, 32 and 26, 32 and 29, 33 and 22 respectively. At a 1-year follow-up, the percentage of patients V and VO was 40%. Conclusion: increases in frequency and the percentage of V and VO were observed among patients, meriting continued examination of HAI prevention strategies among patients in outpatient exercise settings such as CR. Given that the provision of feedback is suggested, the examination of hair infection strategies outcomes in this study could benefit the patients and staff of CR centers and be applied to other rehabilitation settings such as physical therapy, occupational therapy, and therapeutic fitness centers. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.